Good day everyone. We are pleased to introduce Wedgeflat Enterprise, which owned by Mr. Wedgeflat now and Awe. The type of business is sole proprietorship based in Bintulu, Sarawak. The journey began in 2022 when the company was initially operated and managed by Mr. Wedgeflat himself as a part-time basis for the first 3 years. Since then, he has been working diligently to build its foundations, and Wedgeflat Enterprise has fully established in 2025. Moving on to financial standing and core operations, the business capital is 25,000 ringgit. It is important to note that their venture is 100% owner-funded. Mr. Wedgeflat used his personal savings to start the business, including business license registrations, office setup, and operational expenses. Their operations are diverse, allowing them to serve multiple sectors efficiently. The main business activities include facilities and building services, which is to provide essential maintenance and support, logistic and warehousing, which is to ensuring smooth supply chain management and storage solutions, small-scale constructions, which is to handling targeted infrastructure project with precision. And with these solid capital foundations and a wide range of services, Wedgeflat Enterprise ready to meet the evolving needs of their clients. The business obtained complete license such as CIDV and NIOSH, enabling it to operate as a professional service company with permanent staffs. They are committed to contributing to the local economy of Sarawak by providing reliable and professional services.
Everyone, my name is Sohaila and today I will explain the business characteristic of this company, Wedgeflat Enterprise. First, Wedgeflat Enterprise operates as a sole proprietorship business. This means the business is fully owned and managed by one individual, which is Mr. Wedgeflat himself. He is responsible for the business operation, profit, and liabilities. The second one is this company categorized as a contract-based operation. They use quotation, purchase order, invoice, and acceptance letter, so the revenue depends on project and contracts. The next one is this company also categorized as a service-based business. The company mainly provides facility services, building services, logistics, small construction, and warehouse services. Their major source of income comes from the service contracts provided to clients. Wedgeflat Enterprise is considered a small and growing business enterprise because it has a small number of permanent staff, which include one clerk and one project coordinator. They started part-time and later expanded into a fully established company. This shows business growth and sustainability in this company. Next one is for accounting and record keeping. The company still use manual methods such as Microsoft Excel and physical filing system. All transactions are made through the company bank account to ensure proper financial tracking and audit purposes. Lastly, for cost control strategy, the company works together with third-party companies to reduce permanent labor costs. It helps minimize the operational expenses. So that's all from me, and I will pass the next topic to my team member. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Luisa Emily Anabayo. In this part, I will explain the business item classification for Wedgeflat Enterprise. Business item classification refers to the process of organizing the company's financial items into different categories so that the business can manage its resources more effectively and understand its financial position clearly. The first classification is assets. Assets are the items owned by Wedgeflat Enterprise that have economic value and can help support the business operations. These assets are important because they contribute to the company's abilities to generate income and maintain daily activities. Assets can be divided into two categories, which are current assets and non-current assets. First, we focus on current assets. Current assets are assets that can be converted into cash or used within 1 year during normal business operations. For Wishlist Enterprise, they have two current assets, which is number one, cash and bank balance. This is referred to the money available in the company cash account and bank accounts. It is used for daily operational expenses such as transportation costs, salaries, and supplier payments. Secondly is customer debts, or we call it as account receivable. This refers to the amount owned by customer who have purchased service on credit. As Wishlist Enterprise set the payment terms to their client, which to be settled within 3 to 6 months after completion of service. These payments are expected to be collected within a payment term period and are considered assets because they represent future cash inflow to the companies. Next, we will review the non-current assets under the business item classification of Wishlist Enterprise. Non-current assets are long-term assets owned by the companies that are used to support business operation for more than 1 year. The non-current assets that Wishlist Enterprise have include one unit of pickup truck and vans. These vehicles are important for transportations. They help the company manage logistic activities and ensure smooth business operations. Project tools. These tools are used to support operationals and project activities and helps employees complete tasks more efficiently and improve work productivities. CCTV system. The CCTV system is used for security and monitoring purposes. It helps protect company assets, monitor office activities, and improve workplace safety. Stationery items are used for office administration and daily documentation processes. They support communication and record keeping within the businesses. Computers are essential for managing company data, preparing reports, handling customer information, and supporting daily administrative tasks. Table and chairs. These office furniture items provide a comfortable and organized working environment for employees and support daily office operations. From this perspective, we can see that non-current assets are important because they help Wishlist Enterprise maintain smooth operation, improve efficiency, and support long-term business growth. Secondly, I will explain the liabilities under the business item classification of Wishlist Enterprise. Liabilities refer to the debts or financial commitments that the company needs to pay to the other parties as part of its business operation. For Wishlist Enterprise, the liabilities include electricity bills, the salaries, and also for the office rental. Okay, we go for the electricity bills. This is referred to the utilities expenses used for office and warehouse operation. The company needs electricity to support lighting, computers, CCTV systems, and other equipment in daily business activities. So we go to salary. Salary is the payment made to the employees for their work and services provided to the company. It is considered a liability until the payment is fully paid to the employee. Lastly, office rental. This refers to the rental expenses for the office or business premises used by Wishlist Enterprise. The company is responsible for paying rental charges according to the agreed rental period. In general, liabilities plays an important role in business operation because they represent the company financial commitments. Proper management of liabilities helps Wishlist Enterprise maintain stable cash flow, avoid financial problems, and ensure smooth business operation. Thirdly, I will explain about the capital under the business item classification for Wishlist enterprise. For the capital, the business started with Rm 25,000 from the owner personal savings. This means the company used its own money to start the business instead of taking loans or getting outside investors. So the owner have fully control over the business finances from the beginnings. In terms of revenue, Wishlist Enterprise is generating around Rm 34,000 per month. The company mainly provides facilities and building management services where they helps clients maintain and manage their daily operation efficiently. One of the major clients is Sarawak Energy Berhad, which helps provide stable and consistent income for the business and also increase the company reputation and credibilities. It is important to note that this shows that Wishlist Enterprise have a stable business foundation with self-funded capital and consistent monthly revenue. Lastly, I will explain about the expenses under the business item classification for Wishlist Enterprise. For the expenses, the company spends around Rm 15,000 monthly on operational costs. These expenses include office rental, printer, and office equipment, office supplies, advertisements, and marketing costs, utilities such as electricity and internet, fuel expenses for transportation, and also staff salaries, which is include permanent and contract staff. Overall, even after covering the monthly expenses, the business is still able to maintain a stable income and healthy cash flow. This indicates that the business practice effective financial management and operates in a financially sustainable manner.
Greeting everyone, I'm Gilbert Grab David. So today we will be talking about the recording process for Wishlist Enterprise. The first thing the business will do is they will identify and collect the source of documents such as sale receipt, utility bills, and other transactions. Secondly, the business will make a recording in the journal where business will record the sales, business will record the expenses such as utilities, business will record the purchase of inventory or raw material. Also, business will need to record the owner withdrawal. After the business done with the journal, they will proceed to post it to the ledger, where business will transfer all the data record to general ledger, for example, cash, sales, purchase, owner drawing expense, and capital. After that, business will come with a trial balance where the total debit and the total credit must be the same. Once they're done with the trial balance, come the next step where business will make an adjusted trial balance that contain prepaid items and depreciation of project equipment. After they're done with the other process, business will come with prepared financial statements where they will prepare income statement, owner equity statement, and balance sheet.
Hi, my name is Wilibina Mandu, and today I will be presenting the strength and weaknesses of the recording system for Wishlist Enterprise. This analysis is based on company operation, financial recording, and overall management practices gathered through interview and observation. Based on the interview that have been conducted, several key strengths of the company can be identified. First, the company demonstrated strong owner commitment. The business is fully owned and managed by Mr. which reflects strong leadership and full control over decision making. Second, the company starts with a low startup cost from 20 to 25,000. This shows efficient financial planning and careful resource management. Third, the company offers diverse services, including facilities, building maintenance, logistics, construction, and warehousing. This variety allows the company to attract and serve different types of clients. And the company holds a strategic industry position. Operating in Sarawak provides strong opportunities due to the high demand for service providers in the region. In addition to the strengths mentioned earlier, the interview also highlights several operational advantages. The company collaborates with third parties, which help reduce operational costs while still maintaining service capability. Furthermore, the company has established a strong client base, including Sarawak Energy Berhad, which enhances its credibility and reputation. The company also follows proper business procedure, beginning from quotation issue up to payment collection, indicating a well-organized system. Moreover, all transactions are conducted through the company bank account, ensuring better financial control and transparency. The company also demonstrates strengths in compliance and resource management. It holds important licenses such as CIDB and NIOS, which increase trust, professionalism, and industry recognition. In terms of financial management, the company practices such control through budgeting, which help maintain financial stability. Additionally, the company owns assets such as vehicle and operational tools, which support daily activity efficiently. Finally, the company shows strong adaptability, as it has successfully grown from part-time operations into a fully established business. Based on the interview conducted, several weaknesses can also be identified. One of the main weaknesses is a small workforce, which only 2 permanent staff. The company may face challenges in handling larger projects. And another limitation is heavy depends on the owner, where most decision is rely on Mr. Wish. This may lead to delay, especially when quick decisions are needed. And the company experience cash flow delay. As a payment typically take between 3 to 6 months. This situation may affect daily operation and financial stability. A limited capital may restrict the company's ability to expand and explore new opportunities. Besides that, the company still uses a manual accounting system, relying on Excel and physical files. This increases the risk of human error and reduces efficiency. The company also depends heavily on third-party service, which may limit its control over service quality. Furthermore, limited inventory management may cause delay when materials are urgently required, and reliance on a few major clients increase business risk, as any loss of this client could significantly impact the company income.